If I asked someone my age, like in my school, they'd be like, what? What's VMware?
We started GenderCool to help replace people's misinformed opinions with powerful, positive experiences meeting transgender, non-binary youth who are thriving. These young people, Gen Z, report that 1 out of 6 of them are LGBTQ+. That's where GenderCool comes in with the reverse mentorship to have employers and employees meet these extraordinary young people and better prepare for the next gen workforce. These champions, like Champion Rebecca, are youth who are ages 12 to 17. They're transgender and non-binary, but that's the least interesting thing about them. What's more interesting about them is how extraordinary they are. If you see Rebecca, I mean, she's a high school freshman. She's literally a Marvel superhero. She's spoken in front of 30,000 people. She is incredible.
I am Rebecca. I use she, her pronouns. I'm 14 years old and I'm a GenderCool champion.
So as I think about describing the Tanzu reverse mentorship that you're doing with GenderCool, it's a 10-week program where she is getting involved and exposed to dozens of people across a variety of different groups.
I just got off my first call with Tanzu, part of VMware, and that was so cool. I learned so much. My brain cannot comprehend it all. They even got to learn from me too, which I really liked.
You know, you don't want to monopolize your time, but it's like she's one of these people you wish you could spend more time with, right? Because she's that interesting at 14, which is crazy.
What I learned from Rebecca is the small things and the everyday actions matter. So for example, do you have your pronouns up when you are in your meetings so that you are giving others an opportunity to also identify themselves?
We talked about the importance of raising the topic of inclusivity of women, of people of color, of all sorts of people. And I think that was a really valuable conversation because it made me take a step back and think, wow, there are so many other aspects of inclusivity that are really important to be talking about other than LGBTQ people.
Is so important for society. I think everything that we collectively are doing in regards to D&I and in the workforce and trying to get diversity more ingrained in our cultures and our again kind of our workforce, that is awesome.
It's going to be important that we actually invest time in helping kids who are in high school right now who are making those choices and trying to decide if they want to choose a STEM career, that they do make that choice and they do come to and work at companies like VMware.
I would just tell anyone that VMware is fun, they're inclusive, they're always working to, get better. And I think especially doing a reverse mentorship, this sort of scenario was super cool. I got to talk to people on a personal level that I didn't really think I would have otherwise. But it gave me as a teenager really good insight into the workforce and good experience.
It makes you feel really good about where the world is going.
I think I'm sad to end this. I'm gonna miss it.